So you dove in headfirst into the world of crypto in the hopes of becoming a millionaire, and just now you remembered that your government wants a piece of that action. That's right, we're talking about taxes. So I'm gonna help you today on doing your crypto taxes. First things first, let's go ahead and head over to Koinly.io. A link will be provided in the description below. Now, what Koinly does is it performs the tax calculations for you, whether you've exchanged through centralized exchanges, DEXs, wallets on multiple different networks. Additionally, this application works for multiple countries. Let's go ahead and take a look at which countries this is available for. So if you pause the video right now, you can see this standardized list of countries. However, if you look at the bottom, you'll see these other methods for calculating taxes. And you should check which method your country uses if it is not listed above, as it is probably eligible for one of these cost-based tax calculations. Now, if you go ahead and sign up or sign in, then you'll be headed over to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll probably will not see anything, and you'll want to add all your cryptos. How do you do that? You're going to go ahead and click on the wallets tab, and then over here there's an add wallet / exchange button. Over here you're able to add wallets from different networks such as Harmony, Solana, Binance, Polygon, and Ethereum. Not only that, but you're also able to add exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. Once you've done all of that, you're able to see a list of all your transactions, and you're able to manually adjust those as needed. And finally, you're able to generate your tax report. Now, you'll need a plan to generate a tax report, so let's go ahead and look at those. So if we go look at the plans, we'll see that they're priced based on the number of transactions you've performed. And these transactions indicate which level you will receive for the plan. Now, if we go back a year ago, we see that I was a hodler, and one more year behind that, we see I was a newbie. So as I've transitioned more and more, the price of calculating my taxes has increased, but I could probably afford that due to the massive amount of transactions that I'm performing. And that is it. That is how you do your taxes. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe.